Hey everybody, it's Javier with UDS Media, and I know I haven't made a video in a long time. I've just been very busy, dad of two, and living life and doing all that kind of stuff, job change, and my side hustle, doing quinceañeras and weddings, doing the videos for those still. But I wanted to share with you something that I recently started doing, and I'm already seeing a return. If you've never heard of this side hustle, it's called Billo. Now, Billo is an agency where people who need videos to be made for their products, they go to Billo and they fill out the request, and they submit what they'll pay and all that kind of stuff, and then they get to pick from creators to market their product for them, make a video for them, do what pictures and videos, and that's it. And on the creator side, you can apply to be a creator. You have to show them a pitch video, and if they like your pitch and everything, then you can start qualifying to start applying for products, and then making the videos for these people. And at first I was a little nervous because I got an email, and they were looking for creators and stuff, and so I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I've seen these emails before. You want me to review products? I get that, because that's what I do on my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me. And so I was like, all right, yeah, well, send me the link. I'll look at it. And I looked at the link for Billo, and I was like, oh man, this is legit. And I filled out my information. I did a pitch video. They gave me a critique. And don't use a green screen. So they gave me a quick critique, and then that was it. I was on my way, and I've already done 3 videos, and I've already gotten paid for one. They pay you twice a month, the middle of the month, the end of the month, and I got another product on its way. So, and I've already submitted my application for a bunch of other products. So that's how it works. It's been pretty great so far. I mean, I made over $250, for like maybe 3-4 hours of work tops. So, and it's my spare time, and it's really simple to do. And if you're doing an affiliate program like for Amazon or something like that, that's great and all. And I know that once you get going, it can be profitable. But if you're just starting out, this can get you like good money really quick. I mean, faster than waiting around for you to get, your affiliate links built up and stuff like that. So I just want to share that with you. I'm going to show you a little bit about Billo, the app in here. And, that way you can check it out. If I go to my app here, you can see that's one testimonial that I've made. But if you go to like the overview, you can explore different opportunities. This is one they're about to ship to me to do a commercial for this product. I'm awaiting approval for this ad agency, and I've applied for a bunch of different products here. You can see, and here's 2 that I've completed. That one was a glass milk jug, and another one was a biker helmet. And so I'll put those videos on the YouTube page, and then kind of critique how I did it, and show you what I used to do it. That way you can check it out. But here you can see a list of the different products that they have, and you can just apply for whichever one you want. There's a bunch of different things you can do, and so if you get approved, then they'll send you the product, and you get going. You start to earn money. So I have this pending. They've already paid me $90. So I have 2 complete, and then once this one gets approved, then I'll get paid out on that one. That'll be over $250. So I'll put I'll put my referral link here in the description, and you can use my referral link and check it out. Like I said, if you're making videos and doing affiliate marketing and stuff like that, this is it's a better way. You get more return for your time this way. So I'll put this in my description and my bio and stuff, and if you want to check it out, check it out. All right guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.